Introducing the Facom 307 series DIGI-CAL torque wrenches. These innovative wrenches combine the familiarity of a mechanical click with a digital screen, reducing errors in settings and improving value reading. The new non-linear mechanism ensures greater accuracy, repeatability, and easy calibration. With a high-contrast, easy-read scale and digital display showing multi-unit values, these wrenches provide clear readings. They feature an anti-roll design to prevent rolling and reduce the chance of accidental damage. The rubber absorbs impact, while the sealed body and anti-roll bumper offer added protection. The KIKKA DIGGA Garden Fork and Digging Spade Gardening Dig Tool. This groundbreaking innovation makes digging easier than ever, boosting productivity and saving time. With a simple kick, dig, and flick motion, you can shift soil effortlessly. It improves posture and relieves back strains, reducing lumbar flexion, as tested by the Chartered Institute of Ergonomics and trialed by reputable organizations. The new handle adapter ends securely clamped to garden spades and forks, transforming them into powerful digging machines. This multi-purpose tool is perfect for digging, aerating, and weeding. Made in Britain with an ergonomic design inspired by ancient Greek principles, it is lightweight, portable, and easy to use. Introducing the Matco Tools M61520 Streamlight BearTrap. This unique clamp light is designed to securely attach to flat, round, or irregular surfaces. It features a folding wire handle that serves as both a clamp opener and a versatile hook. The body can rotate 270 degrees within the light frame and can stand on its base or attach using the built-in magnets. Constructed with tough thermoplastic and elastomer grip surfaces, it is resistant to automotive chemicals and has a gasket sealed for durability. With a maximum output of 2,000 lumens, it offers a long run time of 8.75 hours on flood mode and 12.5 hours on spot mode. The beam can reach up to 174 meters with a max candela of 7,500. Compact and lightweight, it measures 7.62 inches in length, 6.5 inches in width, and 3.12 inches in thickness, weighing 2 pounds 3 ounces. The OEM Tools. No-spill professional coolant filling funnel kit, the best and most innovative solution for filling automotive cooling systems. This kit includes adapters and extensions to fit radiators or surge tanks in most domestic and import cars and light trucks. The funnel features a fluid stopper with a vent to prevent excessive pressure buildup during filling. With 5 spring-loaded adapters, it ensures a secure fit. Simply select the correct adapter, attach the funnel, and fill. Air release tubes vent the system during the refilling process, while the stopper prevents dripping when removing the funnel. Extensions and adapters are also provided for hard-to-reach surge tanks. The Twiner long-handled knotting tool, the perfect manual tool for quickly and effortlessly tying knots on your growing media. Compatible with various types of twine, such as seasol, biodegradable, coconut, and polypropylene, this knotter offers versatility. With a knotting time of just 4 to 6 seconds, it allows for efficient and rapid knotting. The large model is specifically designed for outdoor hop cultivation, accommodating large-diameter twines. Streamline your knotting process with the Twiner long-handled knotting tool. The Prof CLOU XSL, the ultimate unwinding master for the largest coil types. With this professional tool, you can easily unwind even the most challenging materials, whether packaged in film, boxes, or unpackaged. The CLOU XL allows for smooth and torsion-free unwinding from the inside. It is quick to set up and comes with a convenient professional bag for easy transport. Designed with an extended core height and enlarged work surface, it is perfect for handling large and bulky cable coils, corrugated tubing, polymer pipe, and heavy cable. Whether in electrical or sanitation applications, the CLOU XL excels in unwinding underfloor heating pipes and polymer pipes for water. The Facom Slim Inspection Lamp, a strong and reliable solution designed for industrial and automotive professionals. With its stylish and compact design, this lamp provides powerful lighting in dark and confined spaces. The 779 SILR is a compact, cordless, and rechargeable model, while the 779 SILC is the wired version. Both lamps feature a streamlined design for versatility and durability. Using SMD LED technology, these lamps offer an ultra-profile design that brings light into the most cramped areas, making work in cluttered spaces easier and avoiding shadow effects. With its extra slim body and hook attachment, the 779 SIL reaches tight spots inside motors without damaging pipes and cables. The Beta 960 VTC is a compression leakage tester specifically designed for petrol engines. This tool allows the user to check for compression leaks in the combustion chamber, providing valuable information for diagnosing engine issues. With its specialized design and functionality, the Beta 960 VTC ensures efficient and accurate testing of compression leakage in petrol engines. Whether you're a professional mechanic or an automotive enthusiast, this instrument is a valuable tool for maintaining and troubleshooting petrol engines. The Infra-Red paint drying lamp, equipped with 3 quick heating quartz halogen lamps, each providing 1,000 watts of power. Its lightweight aluminum frame, mounted on casters, allows for easy maneuverability, while the extended arm enables adjustable angles of the lamp panel both horizontally and vertically. With a temperature range of 40 to 80 degrees Celsius and a power output of 3,000 watts, it offers efficient drying capabilities. The timer can be set from 1 to 30 minutes, and the working distance ranges from 400 to 600 millimeters. The lamp's height is adjustable from 150 to 2,500 millimeters. It features a stable, low and wide base fitted with 4 swivel casters for easy movement, ideal for spot repairs, engine drying, adhesive strip removal, and more. Introducing Malco's Cutoff Tensioning Tie Tool, the efficient solution for installing flexible duct to take off collars. With 3 models available, TY6, TY4G, and TY4, there's a tie tool to fit any job size. Say goodbye to hand-tying nylon ties, as Malco's tie tools provide an alternative with their unique notched gripper and enamel or nickel chrome finish. Designed with safety in mind, these tools have a reduced pinch point area to minimize the risk of injury. Choose the manual TY4 or TY4G for simple tightening and cutting, or opt for the TY6 with automatic cutoff functionality. All models are compatible with standard 175-pound and thinner 125-pound ties. Trust Malco's tensioning tie tools for hassle-free flexible duct installation. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.